Hi there, my name is Marlene Adzima, and I'm the Communication Lab Manager. This is a short instructional video to demonstrate how to sign up for a virtual appointment with a tutor using Navigate. The first thing you want to do is to log into the Rock. Once you're logged into the Rock, go to your dashboard page and look for the link to Navigate. Click on that link, and that will take you to your Navigate homepage. Once you get to your Navigate homepage, you'll see some links along the left. Click on the appointment link. And here you'll see, for example, I've got a couple of appointments that I've canceled that pop up. Active appointments are here. Any past appointments are here. You can schedule an appointment from any of these tabs. You just want to go here and schedule an appointment. Once you click on schedule the appointment, you want to select your reason. And the reason here would be tutoring. Click on the tutoring tab and scroll down to answer the next question. You're looking for Comm Lab virtual WebEx tutoring. Then you click done for reason. You've scheduled that. Continue to the next step. After you continue to the next step, you want to pick your location. This semester we only have one location because all tutoring is virtual. Next, you want to go to answer the next question. This link here, again, every tutor will be available through this, and all the appointments will. So you click on Done for Location and Staff, and then you continue to the next step. Here is where you'll pick your appointment time. Scroll down, and you want to go to the next week where an appointment's available. So click on here, and you'll see maybe you want to come in on Monday, August 24th at 10:30. Click on that and continue to the next step. Once you reach this page, you'll see that the details of the appointment are there. Comm Lab Virtual WebEx Tutoring, August 24th, 10:30 to 11 a.m. And then here's how you link into the actual tutoring appointment. We use WebEx for tutoring, so you'll need access to a video camera on your computer, as well as audio. This link will also be emailed to you. So if you go down here and you click on Send Appointment Reminders, you can have it emailed and texted to you. So then you can just click on the link in your email. Now I confirm appointment, and you'll see the appointment now, I'm done, will appear in my upcoming appointments. So now I know here's my appointment. So I can also link to the appointment through here, and I can see all the information. If I need to cancel, I can cancel here. Again, the link to the appointment will be sent to the email address you have on file with Navigate. So that's a short instructional video demonstrating how to schedule an appointment for tutoring with a Communication Lab tutor. We look forward to seeing you in the lab.